Hey guys, hope you all are safe and healthy. Me Mandeep Shrestha is here to demonstrate my project Oxygenated. So without any delay, let's begin. We all know the present condition of oxygen supply in our country. Hospitals are facing oxygen shortage and they have also declared that they will take no more COVID patients without increase in oxygen supply. The hospitals that were demanding 20 cylinders a day are now demanding only 10 cylinders. The cylinders that used to be refilled in 4 to 5 days are being sent back the same day for refilling. The imports of medical oxygen are increasing day by day with foreign countries, so it is better to build our own oxygen generating system than importing. There are many methods of generating oxygen, but among them I have chosen PSA because of following reason. Number 1. Start time. PSA generator startup time is 5 minutes. Next point is energy. PSA generator has less energy consumption. It's a low cost at maintenance and repair. It is fully automated system. It has compact size and no dedicated manpower is required. The basic component of PSA medical oxygen system are air compressor, refrigeration air dryer, dry air receiver, PSA medical oxygen system, storage tank, buffer tank. So the first component is air compressor, where the air along with dust particles, water and oil content flow through the pipe. And the air after the compressor is passed to pre-filter where 5 microns dust particle will be adsorbed. Water will drain through the automatic drain valve present at the bottom of the pre-filter. The next component is the refrigeration air dryer, where the compressed wet air converting into compressed dry air in the refrigeration dryer. After passing through the refrigeration air dryer, the air passes through the filter, namely micron filter, sub-micron filter and activated carbon filter. 1 micron dust particle will be adsorbed in the micron filter. 0.01 microns dust particle will be adsorbed in the sub-micron filter. 0.03 microns vapor from oil and dust particle will be adsorbed in the activated carbon filter. Next component is dry air receiver, from where the compressed air free of dust and oil particles comes out and the pressure gauge indicates 0 to 7.5 bar. From this, dry air flowed through the PSA unit. The main component is PSA unit, where nitrogen is adsorbed in zeolite molecule and oxygen is generated. It consists of 2 adsorption tanks with zeolite molecular sieve as adsorber. The dry air receiver passes gases through the adsorption tank and the nitrogen molecule get trapped on the pore of zeolite while the oxygen passes through the adsorber and exits as product gas. This takes place until the adsorber has reached its maximum adsorption capacity. Simultaneously, second adsorption tank is depressurized through atmospheric pressure and the process switches to the oxygen generator to the second tank. The inlet compressed air will take so much time to pressurize the second tank. To avoid this time delay, pressure equalization valve is opened so that pressure in first and second adsorption tank equalizes. Small portion of generated oxygen flow through the top to bottom of first tank, which is required to push out the nitrogen which is trapped in zeolite. Thus, the zeolite becomes regenerated with an adsorbed nitrogen molecule in next phase. These processes are alternatively repeated in both the tanks and the pressure is continuously swinging between high pressure at adsorption and a low pressure at regeneration, and hence named pressure swing adsorption generator. The oxygen generator passes through source tank to buffer tank, where the oxygen produced by the generator is stored. From the tank, oxygen is taken to the user end through bacterial filter or simply sterile filter, and pure oxygen is passed to the oxygen booster, which is used to increase the pressure of the oxygen to meet the various requirements of terminal users. This oxygen booster is connected through cylinder refilling station where cylinders are refilled. At last, I want to thank the organizer for organizing such type of projects.